Hey guys, what's up? It's Jody. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I tried to see if I can finesse another one of these cheap wigs. Now she's an Afro online. I paid less than $15 for her, and we're gonna see how many styles we can come up with. I know that a lot of the times when I find cheap wigs online or in the store, you guys can't find the exact wig, so I'm going to put in the description box a link to my Amazon store where you'll find all my favorite wigs. I'm going to include also where you can find similar wigs just in case you can't find the same exact wig. So let's get to this video. I'm excited to see how the Afro looks and how it turns out. So here's the wig I used. It's in a color number 1 and it's a really natural density Afro. And this one comes with clips and adjustable straps, and it also has side tabs, which I think is really awesome. A lot of companies make wigs like this now that are ready to wear. You can wear this straight out the pack. Now I'm going to show you guys how I would style it. Now my hair is super dry. I'm surviving my first full winter in Buffalo, so I use this wig as a protective style. So first I wet it with some water, and I've just been wearing my hair in ponytails the whole season so far. So I'm gonna fix my edges a little bit. I'm using Lovely Bee's edge control, which by the way, she is a YouTuber. You should check out her edge control. It's clear, and this thing holds like gel on my fine hair. It holds my edges down like all day. It's really good, and it doesn't pull my edges out. So I'm just going to do a little bit of that and then try the wig on. As you can see, it looks really great, but I like to set it for like 5 minutes with a silk scarf, and then I can just fix and prep and style my wig the way I want it to look. I like to wear my fro a little bit behind my hairline just to match the size of my forehead so it could look natural, as if it was growing out of my own scalp, which a lot of you guys on Instagram thought I big chopped or something. So I would agree also that this wig looks really natural, and I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but in the back, the curl pattern is a lot more defined and it's a little lower density, so it looks very, very natural. And you guys already know I love to personalize my wigs, so I added some hair jewelry just to make it match my personality a little bit more. Alright, let's see what other simple styles we can come up with. So I reached for my headband, which is actually a choker and it's African print. And I thought about this really age-appropriate style with the headband, with the cute little fro pulled back a little bit. I think this style is really great for teens and young girls. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you think this style is cute and age appropriate. And of course, I'm an adult, I'm not a child, but I think this still looks really, really cute. It's a great way to pair some prints and some colors into the fro look.
Hubby, do this.
Alright, let's kick it up a notch. Let's step out of the box a little bit because there's always a little room to be creative. I put the wig backwards because the back was a little curlier and I wanted those curls to stick out in the front. And then I fastened my wig because I'm doing a head wrap look where I'm gonna cover half the hair with the head wrap and leave the front out. So first I'm gonna measure like how much hair I want out and how I want it to be styled. I definitely want like the sides of my edges out to make it look like, you know, my hair was in this cute little Afro puff ponytail without the weave. And then I'm going to take my African print head wrap. I'm just going to tie it into a nice bow or knot. Right now I'm just deciding how much hair I want left out for my faux bang. You can do as little hair or as much hair as you like. I'm just fluffing it out a little bit. I think that's good. So now I'm just going to take a lot of hairpins and pin and tuck and fix the head wrap how I want it to look. And we have this cute little head wrap style. You cannot tell this is a wig. This one's probably my favorite way to style this afro. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright guys, so that was my cheap afro that I found. I actually wanted to style it a few more ways, like in a mohawk or do some other styles with it. But I think if you get like a cheap drawstring ponytail, you can just do that instead. Because the wig is like a full cap. So I'll come back and show you guys how I do some more cute styles with the drawstring ponytail. Like some more fro hawks and, you know, some low ponytails, some puffs and all that stuff. So until next time, you guys, check out my other drawstring ponytail looks, tutorials, and lookbooks. So until next video, you guys, don't forget to take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye!